What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Lawn Surgeon, and we're about to fix my leaf blower. Story time.
Say hello to my little friend.
Y'all know how I always talk about I carry stringer trim in my pocket. I had oh, I gotta show y'all something, but let me tell you the story first. I always carry string in my pocket, and these pockets are old, so the flap come open, so sometimes the little string will pop out. I have my little Troy Bilt leaf blower, right? And I started it up because I was trying to get to the point where I didn't even use my backpack blower for blowing off grass at yards, because I feel like it's too much. It's easier just to have a handheld just to blow stuff off, but in case of emergency or in case I need my backpack blower, I always have it with me, and that's what I'm gonna show you right now. But long story short, I started it up. I was walking to blow the grass off, and then click, 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 click. To look down, my blower stopped blowing. Don't you know, a piece of the string done come out of my pocket and went into the fan of the blower and got all tangled up. I'm like, really? Exhibit A. So I didn't even try to like start it or whatever. I just went, got my Husky backpack blower 150 VT and continued on, and I've been using it all summer. But as y'all can see, got leaves in the yard. It's gotten crazy over the last couple years. I haven't cleaned up the yard like I should. That noise is me pumping up my wife's tire. Ooh, I gotta show y'all that. I might have to make a separate video. I just plugged that thing up. I might with a big old Dodge. Shout out to Naylor, lawn care rookie. He got a 3500 Dodge, I think. Man, check him out, LCR Media. I don't know if he posts any videos about it. He posts on Instagram. Where was I? I always get distracted. But oh yeah, last couple years I tried I got lazy with cleaning my yard up. This year I got the bright idea. I haven't even told him this, so he might find out on this video. I'm like, bruh, because the thing about me, it's enough when I get paid to haul away people's leaves, but I kind of like get lazy on doing my own. So I think I'm gonna load them all up in the ditch, and I'm going to call Will from Will's Lawn Service. See, he'll come vacuum it up. But first I gotta get this fixed. But anywho, let me show y'all where my Husqvarna 150 BT is. If y'all remember, I said I'm building this trailer, which I'm on right now. I'm building this trailer, and I'm gonna make me a shelf. Well, guess what? Your boy done made a shelf. What y'all know about that right there? All right. And see, look at it. Look at this setup right here, bro. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is why this is part of my whole thing. Now that I got all the skeleton of this thing, I'm gonna solidify it. I'm gonna use those white boards that I thought about using for the framing work. I think I'm gonna put them on the walls because those are a little lighter. Hopefully keep this thing solid and from swaying and breaking in half. But like I said, look, you know, I got all my essentials up here, bro. Gas cans, got my blower up here, and so that's what I mean. My goal was to have my handheld as my main blower, everyday blower, and I was gonna keep this one up here, but because my handheld went down, I had to go back to using that one. So it's a long video just to tell y'all I'm about to fix my leaf blower. Daughter's about to get off the bus, so see what kind of work I can get in before she gets home. Yes, sir. All right, people, here's what we're working on. Exhibit A. Yeah, I haven't even tried to pull it, turn it, because I didn't want to damage it any more than it might be damaged. So looks like, if I'm not mistaken, if I take all these screws off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this whole little frame side piece will come off, hopefully. So if y'all can see, look at this. I'm not even finished. It's still a little chunky, but if y'all could imagine, the back of my truck is basically filled up, not only with this junk, but the stuff that's in my trailer now. So once I finish sorting through all this trash and junk, back of my truck will be in use. Anywho, let me find my little kit thing. Show y'all need to get one of these things. Super handy. There it is. It's this little pack here, bro. See if I can get it open. Check this out. Pretty much everything you will need, bro. This comes in so handy when you're using small equipment. It even has a middle piece. The middle piece is on my bit already, so I just take, you know, I don't even know where this came from, because this piece goes right there. So, but yeah, I could just pull that out, get a little star piece that I need from out of here, all these little star pieces, and drill away. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to get this side piece off. Yes, sir. All right, people. So I got the screws off. Let's see what it look like on the inside. Oh, buddy. See, look, I got this one. You see this, Emmy? Got this all tangled up in my thing. I think I could hopefully, looks like I could just finagle it out. I think we'll be all good to go. Yes, sir. Yep, just that easy. Took me less than 15 seconds to get this bad boy out. And my blower is back in commission. Let's put it back together. I definitely think I'm gonna need some new gas, because I can smell it's old already. So get it put back together, get some fresh gas in this bad boy, and see if it's rocking and rolling. Put your hair right there. All right, so now I'm back to having 2 blowers at the same time. Pew, pew. Anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.